All right, so here we are at Baguio Airport. It's a mountain airport here in the Philippines. I gotta say, I have never been to an airport like this in my entire life. I mean, this is crazy. There's a road that you can see behind me that runs through the runway. So anytime you land, they have to shut down the road, causes a massive traffic jam. So anyway, we are going to get some breakfast and check out Baguio and then head back. So come along, should be fun.
Alright, airborne.
Hey, we ate up a lot of that runway, huh?
Yeah. Baguio is right over there and Baler is over there. Have you been to Baler?
I haven't been anywhere, man.
Oh, yeah. On the cliff?
Aim for the cliff.
Yeah.
RPC 9012, wind calm, runway 09, clear to land.
Wow, we really gotta slip this thing. Alright, so I'm in a full slip here. Yep. I'm gonna continue the slip. We still got like good airspeed,
Yeah.
so we're 60. Alright, there we are. Plenty of runway.
Yeah.
Plenty of runway. At 60. Okay, starting to transition the eyes down the runway. Start the flare. Dude, that landing is no joke. Because there's like a mountain right in front of the runway.
Yeah. That's why the adrenaline rush is here when you land is.
RPC 9012, airborne 57, report 5 miles.
Report 5 miles out, RPC 9012.